Oh yeah, back again with another video, another unboxing and first impressions. This time it's gonna be for Le Parfum or Parfum by Maison Alhambra. I already did an unboxing and a review for Eau de Parfum by Maison Alhambra, which is this one. You will find the video down below in the description box if you wanna check it out. But this time we're gonna try the Flanker Parfum and see if it's any good and if it resembles YSL Le Parfum. That's actually a clone of, or what they say that it is a clone of. So by the way, if you guys don't know about Maison Alhambra, this company is a fragrance company from the UAE, from Dubai, from the Emirates, and it's specialized and known for producing fragrances that are super affordable and also known to be like inspired by famous designer and niche fragrances. And without further ado, let's open the cellophane. Let's do the unboxing. Let me show you the box, etc., and show you the bottle and tell you and spray it and tell you if it's any good, if it's any close to this one right here. Let's put it to the side for now. So this is the box, much prettier, much classier, much chic than the box for the EDP version of it. So the name of the fragrance, once again right here, and the name of the company, Maison Alhambra, Parfum Flanker, Eau de Parfum once again, but 100 ml, 3.4 fluid ounces. On the bottom we have a batch code right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, and a production date and an expiration date, some information, some ingredients, barcode, QR code, Latafa website, etc. On the back, the name of the fragrance once again, and this is important, the sticker of the authentication. Yes, it does say Maison Alhambra and it does have the logo of the company. On the top we have once again the logo of the company, Maison Alhambra. So let's get the bottle and see how it looks like. Oh wow, really? They did it. Look at the bottle. It is like a copycat of this bottle right here, but there is a difference in the name and a little bit of difference in the design, but wow, they really made it super obvious. Let's see about the cap. The cap is a little bit heavy. It feels heavier than this one. Let's see. Maybe the same weight, but it's really heavy. And I like to be honest with you, I like the color, I like the design of the box and the bottle. It's really beautiful for a super cheap fragrance. It's quite good. The cap is super tight. You can count on it, but as I always say, hold your bottles from the glass, never hold them from the cap. They might fall down and break, and it's gonna make you sad. Anyways, let's spray the fragrance and see how it is. Let's see the sprayer. Let's see about the sprayer. It's okay. It does the job. And oh wow, I can smell it from here. Did I overspray it? I'm smelling it off my hand. Super sweet. Super sweet. A little bit, we can say a little bit synthetic. Not very synthetic, but it's a little bit synthetic. And it's not really as sweet as this. I can tell right away from the opening. It's not really as sweet as YSL Le Parfum. Not as dense. There is so much sweetness in this opening a different type of sweetness. I mean, like, I don't know how to say it. Maybe a synthetic type of sweetness, kind of cheapish. Not really like, it's not like in a bad way, but it's not close to the sweetness of this one. Let's spray it and see right now from this opening. Yeah, there is a difference. There is a huge difference when it comes to the opening between the two. But this one, yeah, it definitely smells like it. There is some resemblance in some notes. The apple notes, definitely. Maybe a little bit of ginger. Maybe the ginger is what's really not the same as on this one. yeah, there is a difference. I'm smelling both my hands right now. Yeah, there is, maybe also there is a little bit of difference in the freshness. This is more fresh than this one. This is more, I would say, a little bit darker and not as dense. It's darker and not as dense as this one. Well, let me put it this way. This might be like a lighter version of this one, but with some sort of cheap sort of sweetness. The apple notes, I think it's not really, yeah, I would say it's not really well blended. Not really as good as this one. But let's not forget that this one is a step ahead of a YSL EDP. So it's like much more, I mean, better blended, better balanced than YSL EDP, and it has more character. So it's kind of unfair to compare the two. And excuse my pronunciations here. But yeah, it smells nice. It smells really youthful, and it's kind of now that I'm smelling both of my hand, it's kind of weaker than this one, to be honest with you. And it does smell a lot more to like YSL EDP. It smells more to YSL EDP than this one right here. This one is more leaning to YSL EDT, the oldest wallet. While this one now, yeah, now it smells more like a YSL EDP, and it's not that close to this one. This one is a little bit different. This one is much more denser, sweeter, but sweeter with quality, if I can say that the right way. That's the right way, definitely. It's like the sweetness here, there is a difference between the two. The sweetness here is the quality in it is much better, while this one has this sort of cheap character in the background. But the resemblance is there. There is, I would say, like 60% like it, but 70 to 75% close to YSL EDP. I'll try to come back to you guys with a short review of this one and tell you about the longevity, performance, etc., and how close it is actually to this one. Even though from this opinion, really there is, I feel, a few differences here. There is similarities, but the differences are much more, if you know what I mean. So meanwhile, please give us a thumbs up for these videos, subscribe if not subscribed, and stay tuned for the next videos. Take care, bye.